This is a tree swallow sitting upon one of the nesting boxes here at Ruthven Park. Oh, and here comes an eastern bluebird to chase it off. This is the female. Her back is more drab, a blue-gray color, as opposed to the electric blue of the male. Now, we happen to know from monitoring that there's a bluebird nest in this box with 5 eggs in it. Oh, now she's going in to incubate the eggs. Nesting boxes represent cavities found in dead trees. Because of deforestation and change in arboriculture, dead trees are very hard to find in our area, so there's much competition for them. Many species have adapted to using nest boxes. However, those can be in short supply as well, so there's a great deal of competition for them. Not only the tree swallow and the eastern bluebird here at Ruthven, we have the house wren, which is a native species that uses nest boxes, and 2 invasive non-native species, the house sparrow and the eastern starling, all in competition for a relatively small number of nest boxes. The tree swallow is back, claiming this box as its own. Fairly disappointed there's an eastern bluebird in it right now. This tree swallow has the option of moving to other boxes on the property, and likely will.
Nest boxes are a great way to observe the birds that are in your local area. If you would like to make your own nest boxes, you can do so very easily. There are plenty of free plans online for you to follow. We hope this inspires you to start making your own nest boxes and studying the birds around your own home. Thanks for watching.